Hey everyone, welcome to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to add credit or debit card on Instagram. So by following all these steps, you will be able to add a payment method on your Instagram easily. So let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application on your mobile device right here. Here we go. Now make sure that you are logged on to your profile. So once you are here on your profile, you can see three lines icon on the top right corner. Just tap on it. Now just at the top, you can see the option of settings and privacy. Tap on it again. Now once you are here, you can see various options available for you. Just scroll down below. Now you can see the option of orders and payments just below fundraisers. Tap on it. Now once you are here at the top, you'll see the option of payment methods. We have to tap on it in order to proceed further. Here we go. Now you can see the option of add payment method in blue color. So just tap on that option. Now we have to select the first option, that is credit or debit card. So let's tap on it. Now once you're here, you have to start by entering your card number. So let's enter mine. Now, once your card number is entered, you have to enter your valid expiry date. So, let's enter the valid expiration date of my credit card. Here we go. Now, enter your CVV number. Now, you have to enter your full name. Then, you have to select your country and add your address. Let me add my address here. Now, you have to put your address in detail. So now let me add my address of the apartment. Now just below you have to enter your city, and below that you have to enter the state that you are from. Then at last enter the zip code of your city, and then you'll see the option of save just at the top right corner. Now after filling in your details correctly, you can select that option and you can successfully add payment method on Instagram. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech videos.